Should you start a gaming channel in 2019 and beyond? We'll sit back and find out because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim of the People's Bookkeeper, where we always hit the mark. Make your mark in business too and share it on YouTube. Do that by subscribing now and turning on the bell notification. So the big question is, why go with a gaming channel in 2019 and beyond? Is the market not oversaturated as it is? Is it even worth trying to do a gaming channel anymore? Well, one of the nice advantages to starting a gaming channel is the fact that there's a very low barrier to entry because so many people love video games and it's such a popular topic. This can make getting into the niche extremely easy to do. However, the big issue arises in the fact that because there are millions and millions of channels doing the same thing, you have to really differentiate yourself from the rest of the pack. There's a big difference between just making a recording of a video game that you're playing and making a quality, entertaining, engaging video for people to watch. Now you need to keep in mind that even though there's a very low barrier to entry in the gaming niche, there's a very high barrier to success in the gaming niche. To become a big success within the gaming niche these days, you really need to truly differentiate yourself from the rest of the gaming channels that are doing the exact same thing as you. You need to create amazing and unique content that's full of humor, excitement, and really engages the viewer and makes them want more. I would urge you, if you're thinking about going into the gaming niche or you're currently in it and you're struggling, to take a look at some of the other really big YouTubers that are just crushing it within the gaming niche. Look at what are they doing to gain so many subscribers and get so many views on their videos. You can't keep doing the same thing as everybody else. You need to add value to that person's life. This means that no matter what style you're doing, whether it's a let's play or game reviews, if you want someone to spend 20 or 30 minutes of their time with you watching that video, you need to create something that just gives them so much joy and excitement watching it. It needs to provide a ton of value. Now, if you're really struggling and you're not sure what the next step is that you need to take, I'd highly recommend you check out some amazing gaming channels within the niche. Go and take a look at Markiplier, Vanos Gaming, Dan TDM, The Game Theorist, Jacksepticeye. These are all channels that are absolutely crushing it within the gaming niche, and there are a lot of others like them who are doing amazing as well. But the truth is, they're providing extremely entertaining videos for you to watch. There's a big reason that they're at millions and millions of subscribers and millions of views. They make amazing titles and thumbnails. Their energy is off the charts. You can see how excited they are within their videos, and they add a lot of great sound effects and visual effects as well. The video quality is extremely high with amazing editing, and their focus is on providing really high quality, valuable entertainment for people who just need that escape from stress. These channels are going to give you exactly the formula to make your channel a success as well. So remember that there are two guaranteed things that people are going to see before they ever take a look at your video. Number one is your title, and number two is your thumbnail. And I've spoken about this in previous videos, how important they are, because that is what gets the viewer to engage with your video to begin with. But you can't just have an awesome title and thumbnail, because if the person watches the content and the content itself isn't very good, you're not going to hold them and keep that engagement level really high. Once they're into the video, you need to provide a very unique, fun, and exciting experience for them as they're watching your video. And sadly to say, if you're not inspired watching these awesome channels and how they handle their content and growing their audience, then the gaming niche might not be for you. You should always be striving to improve your videos and improve your viewer experience. You don't need a massive budget to create great looking thumbnails and titles. It's rather easy to do. Right now, I'm going to show you quickly on screen some amazing thumbnails from these channels, and we're going to scroll through a few of them here so that you can take a look and see what a great thumbnail looks like. And don't copy their style, but use it to inspire you to come up with your own really good branded theme, your own branded thumbnail, and your style, and make that style your own. There's lots of great free tools like Canva as well that you can use to make your thumbnails And I highly recommend making your thumbnails unique so that they stand out from everybody else. And what you're going to see when you do this is that your channel and your brand will really start to take off as you become more and more unique in your style, and other people are going to start to try to mimic what you're doing. Now, the other thing that's super important is your personality. Probably more than any other niche, within the gaming niche, you need to have a dynamic personality. This is because many people subscribe to your channel for you. You can get away with the sound effects and visual effects not being as good if you have an extremely dynamic and engaging personality. But you'll notice with the biggest channels that they bring all of these elements together, and that's why they're doing extremely well. As a gamer, you need to think about what kind of content will get your viewer really excited. What makes them think about things and look at things in a new way. And a great way to do this is through humor, because a lot of people relax and trust you a lot more when they know that they can laugh with you and enjoy that time with you. That's what really attracts people to your channel and you in the first place. Now, what you need to do is decide what style of gaming channel you want to start with. Whether that's a Let's Play or game reviews, or commentary or tutorials, once you've decided, then pick your game or your variety of games you want to play, and make sure that all the other elements remain the same and come together to form your entire package. Do something totally unique within playing that game. Play that game in a totally different way than other people are playing it. Add in some amazing sound effects and some amazing visual effects. Mix in some great music in the background as well. Keep the beat of the video snappy and popping from scene to scene. And don't forget to add in some great humor along the way as well. This is where your personality becomes so important within the gaming niche. You can have a great looking edit and great looking footage, but if there's no personality in the video, people aren't going to stay engaged with you. There's a reason that the top channels are at the top. They take all of these elements and they combine them into one whole package, and they don't skip or miss anything. So I want you to think outside the box and do something that's unique to you so that you can really show off your personality. This will allow you to show off your humor and your style, and you can be a success. It's not too late to start your gaming channel in 2019 and be successful at it. Just remember that you need to combine all of these elements together and be brutally honest with yourself if this is something that you can see yourself doing years down the line with the same energy and excitement that you have now at the start. If the answer to this is yes, then it's not too late in 2019 and beyond to start your gaming channel and be a big success at it. So my question of the day for you is, are you a gaming channel right now? And if so, have you found it to be a struggle to get your channel really off the ground? Or are you finding really good success and growth with the way that you're doing things? Answer and leave your comments and feedback below. Now, if you want to make your mark on YouTube, then check out these videos over here. They'll help you grow your channel. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Click my face and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.